hire and fire culture in unorganized sector like security organization, facility organization, housekeeping organization, and some other service unorganized sectors. It is seen that security people or housekeeping people, they are being treated very badly. Culture is that they don't listen. We have to deal with. It is saying in the such organization that we have to deal with them the way they are. Means they are the brainless people. They are the poor people. They are not the educated people. So in industry, their seniors, their supervisors, even management staff deals very rudely and very badly. It is really painful. If any one of you can go at the real site, you can understand the pain I am having, because I am from that sector also. Though the Security Guard Board Act 1981 is passed for their welfare and service condition, but those things are being encased to show to the client. But as a human being, to the concerned watch and ward personnel, they are really not being dealt, giving them the minimum respect of a human being. They are being abused, they are being exploited, they are going under lot of trouble. They have very big condition that is being exploited by the organization, management, their senior and superiors. Now in this corona period, you understand the importance of such a people who are being neglected in the society. अरे वो तो वॉचमैन है, अरे वो तो पोछा मारने वाला हाउस कीपर है. Now you think, now you are coming across the importance of their services. How you were calling them in a very vulgar language, in very insulting language. Now those peoples are not available, then your life is insecure. There is threat to your life. There is threat to the family who are staying in the society, in big building, tower, bungalow, wherever. Now they have to do the small work which they were getting it done, insulting to the people when they were on the job. अरे ये तो वॉचमैन है, मीन्स कोई उसकी सामाजिक वैल्यू नहीं है. He was deprived from all kind of the human benefit. You ask a watchman or housekeeping person, he will say that sir, हम तो रोटी कपड़ा और मकान के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, हम तो अपनी फैमिली को अंडर पॉवर्टी लाइन में रखने के लिए जी रहे हैं, ओवर एंड एबव टू पॉवर्टी लाइन नहीं, टू मेंटेन द dignity, a small portion of dignity well below the poverty line they are breathing. Why we cannot think for them slowly and steadily? There is the sense of taking care of these people I will not deny. Now the big security organization, housekeeping organization, they started giving PF, ESIC bonus, gratuity, but lot of fuss is there, lot of hassles are there. They are not being respected as other industry, like manufacturing industry, like pharma industry, like R&D based industry, and similar so many developed industry. As their people are being respected, still they are not getting. So my appeal from industrialists, my appeal from eminent personalities, my appeal from you all people is that let them live. Also, wherever knowledge deficiency you see, you please go ahead. If you are having, share with them and make them, tutor them so that they can understand. All are not uneducated. They are having certain level of the education. You can say that is also poor. But now, as Act, the Maharashtra Private Security Guard Board Act 1981 also has emphasized that minimum 10th standard he and she should be passed for this position. But it is difficult to get 10th passed people, because then they are engaged in different kind of the act and activities. Then they will not accept the job responsibility of a housekeeper and a watchman, and thus they seek the better opportunity in another industry and they go there. Maybe because of this reason, still this kind of the industry are called unorganized industry. But I will not stop here. I will definitely appreciate government also and certain entrepreneurs also, that they are laying down the rules which will enhance the standard of thinking, standard of living of security people also. Don't think, don't give weightage saying anything, but at least give weightage that they are the security. हाउसकीपिंग मीन्स साफ सफाई करने वाला. अगर वो साफ सफाई नहीं करेगा तो आपका जीना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आपका काम करना, उस जगह पे बैठ के काम करना, अपने घर में रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. उनकी वैल्यू आप जरूर करें. सिक्योरिटी अगर वो अपनी ड्यूटी नहीं देता है इंडस्ट्री में, आपकी सोसाइटी में, तो आपकी लाइफ फुल ऑफ थ्रेट हो जाएगी. तो क्या करना है, हमें इनको अपने हिसाब से ट्यूट करना है. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तो जिम्मेदारी बनती ही है, बट इट इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द सिटीजन आल्सो टू लेट देम सेट इन इंडस्ट्री and to be called as a organized industry in the days to come. Thank you very much in this city. Rest we will talk in another city. Thank you very much.